step-by-step guide on how you can withdraw money from Gocrypto. To withdraw your money, first you will need to open up your Gocrypto wallet or connected app, for example Eli Wallet, and log in with your credentials. Choose your wallet. You want to navigate to the wallet that holds the crypto you want to withdraw, for example Bitcoin or USDT. Convert your crypto to fiat if needed. If your wallet supports it, you can convert your crypto to your local currency using the exchange or sell option. Select the withdrawal option. You want to go to withdraw or cash out. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, for example bank transfer, crypto to card, ATM withdrawal, depending on what's available in your country. Enter the details, fill in your bank account or card details, or select a linked one. Next, you will need to enter the amount. You want to type in how much you want to withdraw. Make sure you are within the limits and account for any fees. Confirm the withdrawal. You want to review all info and tap on confirm or withdraw. You might need to enter a code or use two-factor authentication. Wait for processing. Depending on the method, funds might arrive instantly or in a few business days. Check your bank or card for the money you've successfully withdrawn from Gocrypto. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.